Sweet life, sweet life, sweet life.
Guys, and welcome back. I know it's been a while, but today I'm going to show you guys how I made this Easter basket for my 9-year-old son. So let's get started. So I bought that basket from the Dollar Tree, but then I remember my mom gave me a basket. So I'm putting 2 boxes down in the bottom of the basket to give it some height so my items don't sink down inside. And then I put 2 empty boxes and I put a black tablecloth over it because I couldn't find black grass. So I put a light up skip it, which I had one of these when I was a kid. So I bought him one of these because I thought it'd be cool. I got him an umbrella since he lost his umbrella. I got him sour straws. I got him some Jordan cologne since he's into smelling good these days. He is obsessed with freeze dried candy. So I got him 2 packs of that. And oh my God, if you know, you know, all of these kids are so obsessed with Prime. So I got him 2 Primes. I got him another deodorant because, you know, it's spring, it's getting hot, gotta stay fresh. And I got him his favorite gummy bears. He absolutely loved those. And hot chips. He can't go a day without his hot chips. So I got him 2 bags of those. And then I got him some goggles because it's spring, it's time to get in the pool, and he can never find his goggles. I also got him a mini Bible because, you know, Jesus is the reason for the season. So we can't have Easter without Jesus. So I got him that little mini Bible that he can keep in his book bag or he can keep in his room or whatever. I also got these giant eggs from Dollar Tree. I put some gum and some candy inside those. Oh my God, I got him a Roblox card because he's obsessed and begging for them every day. And every day I'm like, no, no, no. So I just thought it'd be nice to get him one finally and put it in his Easter basket. I also got him a chapstick. If you can see at the top, I already taped it. So I got this basket bag and that ribbon from Dollar Tree. But then, oh my God, the bag was too small for my basket. It would not go up. So I had to end up cutting the bag on the side. So then I had this big gap on the side. But good thing I bought 2. So I end up cutting a piece off of the other one, and then I end up just taping those 2 sides together like so, like that. And then I gathered it all at the top. I'm just taping it on the back so it doesn't come apart. And then I'm going to gather it all up at the top, and then I'm going to wrap some tape around it to secure it all into place. And then once I get gathering, and I'm going to get the tape around it. There I go. Once I get the tape around it, I'm going to use that ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to tie a little bow up there. I tried to coordinate with like black and gray because, you know, he's older now. I used to buy him the cute little character Easter baskets when he was younger, but he is not into that anymore. He want grown man things these days. So this is how it turned out. Very cute. I know he's gonna love it. And this is my 9-year-old son's Easter basket. Bye.
Sweet life, sweet life.